So in today's video, we're going to be doing a DIY vanity. Now this is going to be under $150. What I'm showing you guys right here is my vanity. It's all white. Now my sister's going to be all black. We spray painted it. Here I'm just showing you the drawers that I got from Michael's. They were about $40 or $50. These dressers are always on sale. They're the 5-drawer dressers. I'll link them in the description below. The piece on top is from Lowe's. I forget the dimensions for it, but once I remember what the dimensions are for that piece of wood, I will definitely put that on the screen right here. And then I also got the mirror from Lowe's. That was about $20 or $30. And the lights that you see is from Amazon. That was $17. The magnifying mirror, I actually got that sent to me for free. This company called Oakleaf. The magnifying mirror is like a 10-time magnifying mirror and is on their site for $20. So it is definitely a good investment. Even I just suction cup it onto my mirror, and yeah. So let's get on to the other half of the video, which is making my sister's vanity. And again, we just spray painted it black. It's the same thing as mine, but kind of just wanted to walk you guys through the steps. So we're about to build this DIY vanity. This one, okay. Ooh. Asia, I don't know if you want to paint this black. It might go terribly wrong.
No, I'll look back on YouTube.
You sure? Okay, cool. Alright, so we got this DIY vanity. I already built mine. Mine is upstairs. My sister, she got the same things as I did. She got the Michael's 5-drawer. What was this, 40?
Yeah, after tax year.
Well, it was originally 99.
Yeah, originally 99, but it was 60% off. So
okay.
It was like 39, 90 something. So
39,
it was like 40. Then both of them together came up to $84 and some change.
Okay, yeah, like what she said, 2 for $80. Each of them are $40. And this thing, how much?
$11 after tax.
$11 after tax. And the dimensions on this thing is 36 by 15 inches. You got this from Lowe's, right?
Yeah.
All right, yeah, from Lowe's. And you gonna, so we gonna get started with building these drawers. And then after we build those drawers, we're gonna put this on top of those drawers, right?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Yeah, all right. So I came home after work, and Aisha took the initiative to spray paint the other dresses black. So she became impatient and built the dresses without me. Oh, and see, I told you would have to do that. She was talking about the spacing. Yeah.
I ain't glued it down yet though.
Oh, you didn't?
Nah.
Okay, so.
Because I think I want to make it wider so that this seat can fit under it.
Oh, alright. So yeah, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna put some E6000 glue on top of this dresser, and we're gonna finish spray painting this. I think you put these in backwards.
Screwed it in wrong, and then I had to take it out and flip it. Yeah.
All right. Yeah. And are you gonna hang this up? I have command strips.
Is that gonna mess the wall with? Okay, well then yeah, I wanna hang it up.
Yeah. So we're gonna take some command strips and we're gonna post up this mirror on that wall right there. Yeah. I'm gonna take these command strips and I'm going to put her mirror on that wall right there. These command strips you can just get at Walmart. I think they're about $10. I really forgot, so forgive me. I have like the heavy duty command strips, so like they're Velcro. As you can see right here, they're just Velcro. Stick them on there, stick them on the back. I have all 4 sides stuck together. Kind of made a mistake here because I tried to take the film off while the command strip was on there. So if you're doing this with the same command strip that I am, take off the film before you put it on there, not while it's on there. And now all we do is we take the mirror and we just press it against the wall.
Oh wow, okay. So she didn't paste this on top of there yet, so I think I'm gonna be a good big brother and put the top piece. As you can see, the top piece isn't glued all the way on there, so I'm gonna take some E6000 glue and I'm going to put that on top of the dressers. Yeah.